Creating a coupon code on Shopbase is a straightforward process that can help you drive sales and increase customer engagement. To get started, log into your Shopbase account and navigate to the marketing section. From there, click on the Discounts tab and select Create Discount. Choose the type of discount you want to offer, such as a percentage or fixed amount off, and set the discount amount. You can also set a minimum purchase requirement to ensure that customers meet a certain threshold before they can use the code. Next, create a unique code for your coupon, such as Summer 10 or Holiday 20. Make sure the code is easy to remember and not too complicated for customers to type in. You can also set a usage limit for the code, such as limiting it to 1 use per customer. After setting up the basics of your coupon, you can customize the details, such as the expiration date and the products or collections that the code applies to. You can also add a description to the code, which will be displayed to customers when they use it. Once you have set up your coupon code, click Save and the code will be live and ready for customers to use. To promote the code, you can share it on social media, email it to your subscribers, or add it to your website. Best practices for creating effective coupon codes include making them exclusive to encourage loyalty, limiting their use to create a sense of urgency, and tracking their performance to see what works best for your business. By following these steps and tips, you can create a coupon code on Shopbase that drives sales and grows your customer base.